Hey guys, in the previous tutorial I showed you how to do this fancy fishtail braid, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing except with rope braids. This hairstyle can be achieved on medium to long hair and is perfect to wear during the summertime, so if you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. First off, brush your hair and make sure it's all smooth. Grab some hair near the front of your face and divide it into two equal sections. Now there are many ways to create a rope braid, but I find this one works best for me. Twist the two strands together counterclockwise and twist one of the strands clockwise. Then twist them together again counterclockwise and twist one of the strands clockwise. You can also do this braid by twisting both strands clockwise and wrapping them together counterclockwise. If you want to see how that's done, I'll put a link in the info box below. Tie the end with an elastic band, and if you did this right, your twist won't unravel. Grab some hair beneath the first braid, divide it into two sections, and create another rope braid. Once again, wrap the two strands together counterclockwise and twist them clockwise. When you're done, tie the end with an elastic band and do the exact same thing to the other side of your head. Now divide the top half of your hair and tie it together with the two rope braids. In the fancy fishtail braid video, I actually tied my model's hair to one side, but in this video, I'm just going to tie my hair at the back. Create a little hole above the hair tie and flip your ponytail in it. Gather a layer of hair below the first one and include the remaining side braids. Tie everything together with a hair tie and once again create a hole above that hair tie and flip the ponytail in it. At this point, you can dress up your hairstyle with some hair accessories. You can even stick fresh flowers in your hair, but today I'm using these butterfly clips. If you need to, fix your hairstyle with a comb. Lastly, remove all the elastic bands you used to hold the rope braids. So here's the finished look. I think it's a cute twist on the regular flip-in hairdo, so let me know if you guys would give this a try. You can leave your hair like so, or you can gather your hair to one side and create a larger rope braid. Here we go again, wrap the strands together counterclockwise and twist each one clockwise. Tie it off with an elastic band and you're done. So which one do you guys prefer, this side braid or the half updo? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye! Subscribe to be notified of new videos and don't forget to check out my other hair tutorials.